K&F Concept Travel Tripod, Carbon Fibre Edition. So K&F recently sent me the KF13 travel tripod, which I did a review a couple of weeks back, and you can check that out just here. They enjoyed the video, I enjoyed the tripod, and they decided to send me the carbon fibre version, just to show off exactly what that can do. From my understanding, it's very similar, but obviously lightweight. I'm not going to do a huge unboxing. You can see what the K&F Concept unboxing is like if you want to see the other video, but I will get this out. Let's see what it looks like and how it compares to this KF13. So as you can see, first off, it comes with its own travel bag, exactly the same as the KF13, which is a nice touch. You don't get that at all travel tripods at this price point anyway. So straight away you can see the carbon fibre one is a little bit longer, and the weight difference is huge. I think essentially with these, the only real main difference other than a tiny little bit of height is going to be the weight, and with a travel tripod, that's surely one of the most important aspects. So that's enough about me chatting here. Let me get it outside, try it out, and I can give you my thoughts back in a second.
So I haven't had much time to use this, but I've taken it on a little trip to Tuscany with me, and I will say it performed brilliantly. I used it actually as a video tripod, which was perfect for what I needed. Now, as you can see, the legs fold down nice and easy, and if you do check out the other review, you'll see the layout and the setup's very much the same. You have a pull and twist function to extend the legs, which is pretty straightforward really, and it's nice and easy to use. That's what you want. You want something nice and simple, quick, and I will say this is so good to use, lightweight. So with this, you've actually got the locking head on it. So on this side here, you just got a little switch. You can flick that round as fully unlocked, get it in position and lock it in. Now it uses Arca Swiss, so you can get nice and easy to chuck in straight on there. If you're already using Arca Swiss plates, you're not going to have any issue whatsoever. So as I say, that's your lock to keep the ball head exactly where you want it, and also you can swivel to the side if you want to do portrait shots as well, which is great. So it's very smooth, very well made, very lightweight, absolutely brilliant tripod to use. I love the carbon fibre finish on it. The fact that you can just pick this up, as I say, I took it with me to Tuscany and it performed brilliantly. A lot better than I thought it would. Very sturdy, and I used it throughout the whole time. And as you've got a nice fluid head on here, as I say, you can turn that and it's such a smooth pan on there, which when you're using a small mirrorless camera is even better. This leg here is the leg you'd use as well when you want to turn it into a monopod, and there's certain places you go that may be very restrictive on whether or not you can use a tripod or a monopod. A lot of venues are fine, but when you go certain places and you want to do any landscape photography, they say no tripods allowed. So having the option of just being able to take it apart and use your monopod is great. The other good function of this as well is this whole bar moves up and down, but also comes out entirely. You would unscrew that completely, flip it the other way, and then mount the camera down. That way you can shoot facing right down and get really close top-down shots, any macro subjects and things like that, which is great to have as well. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can find out a little bit more about this yourself if you want to know the exact specs. But from me, for the money, I don't believe there is a better carbon fibre tripod out there. This thing is superb, lightweight, sturdy. Height-wise, you're coming up to about 5 foot, 5.5 foot, I think. I'm 6 foot, and it goes a tiny bit higher, but generally it's more than enough for most people's needs, and it was for me. So it's something that I think will suit most people's needs. If you're looking for that super lightweight tripod, this is the one to look at. As I said at the start, this was sent to me. They didn't ask anything of me, just if I would make a video for them. I must admit, this is one that I am going to keep. I absolutely love this tripod. It's not been something I've ever needed, but as soon as I went and did that wedding in Tuscany, and I had one in Malta at the start of the year, and I really could have done with this then. So yeah, if you're doing any sort of travel photography, travel filming, it's a great tripod to have. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. If there's anything else you want to see from us on the channel, just put a little comment down below and I'll keep an eye out for those. Oh, and also don't forget we've got that big Christmas giveaway coming up where K&F Concepts have kindly donated a couple of things along with some other items that will be going into the pot. So it's a really cool giveaway, so do keep an eye out for that one. So do check this out if you get a chance. As always, I'm Matt from Roto and I'll catch you in the next one.